So hello fellow oceaneers and welcome to my channel Ocean of Facts, where I upload every week about the latest marine discoveries led by scientists and marine biologists all over the world. So let's begin. Today we are diving deep into the mesmerizing world beneath the ocean surface, debunking the common misconception that the ocean is a quiet and serene place. This is a sample from the radiation emitted from space converted into the audible range. And now this will be the sample of our oceans. For a long time, great ocean explorers used sight to reveal the secrets of marine environment, downplaying its acoustic aspects. Indeed, the ocean has long been considered a place devoid of any sound. Today, however, there are numerous studies that underline the importance of sound for a multitude of reasons. Some species, for example cetaceans, whales, dolphins, and porpoises, are excellent ocean orators and are capable of communicating at distances greater than 2,000 kilometers. Even the smallest animals living at the bottom of the sea play a fundamental role in maintaining the balance of ecosystem, and they communicate with each other through sound. Sound is essential to the life of marine animals. Recent studies demonstrate that the natural soundscape and the sounds emitted by the animals themselves play an important role in regulating different aspects of the life of marine invertebrates. From an early age, the tiny floating larvae of mussels, scallops, and oysters seems to be influenced by the noise present in the environment around them. Surprisingly, these larvae seems to be attracted to the noises. For example, oyster larvae are more likely to settle in an environment exposed to sound produced by their fellow creatures, as these sounds are an excellent index of places conducive to life. Sound also remains a fundamental aspect for the survival of animals in adulthood and for their reproduction. Some species of mollusks can perceive their acoustic landscape to synchronize their seasonal spawning and increase their chances of fertilization. For crustaceans, studies suggest that the male European lobsters produces a so-called buzzing sound during competitive encounters through low-frequency vibrations of the carapace to repel competitors. Now, this communication strategy adopted by different marine and terrestrial species is to announce their presence to their adversaries, and that helps them to avoid potentially costly and damaging physical confrontations. Ocean noise pollution, a major challenge. Water is an excellent medium for sound propagation, much better than air. So it is realistic to think that a large majority of marine animals obey sound signals. Until now, this phenomenon has been largely overlooked, largely because many ocean sounds remain inaudible to our ears. The crab, however, may perceive the seabed as a long succession of different noises. Many questions still remain unanswered for the moment, but technological progress will help scientists discover other wonders that the ocean still keeps as a secret. One thing remains certain is that human activities have introduced noise pollution into the marine environment, and organisms must find ways to adapt to this change. The construction of new infrastructure and transport of goods are increasingly sources of noise pollution in our seas. But it's not only these activities and natural phenomena that make the ocean a noisy place. Human activity unfortunately has introduced a whole new level of noise pollution from marine world. From fishing vessels to cargo ships, human-made noise has become a constant companion in the ocean. The rumbles of engines, propellers, and seismic surveys disrupt marine life, leading to confusion, stress, and even physical damage to animals like whales and dolphins. As we wrap up this episode, remember that the ocean is far from the quiet and serene place we once imagined it to be. It is a dynamic, vibrant ecosystem filled with a wide range of sounds, from enchanting calls of the marine mammals to the unique sounds of fishes and mysterious depths of the unexplored territories. So let's appreciate and protect our oceans, ensuring that the symphony continues for generations to come. Until next time, stay tuned for more unique discoveries like this, and stay curious.